Okay, item one was a win. Love that. So cute.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh my god, it's so heavy.
That's a big one.
Holy crap. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based creator and I love making videos about fashion, lifestyle, owning your own business, hauls. You guys, I'm so excited. We have a really, really big Abercrombie haul for you today. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we have a huge Abercrombie package here. I'm really, really excited. This is a big, mega, like fall, winter haul for me. My closet is like stocked when it comes to pants, but I felt like when it came to sweaters, I needed a few more things because I've been going to so many more events and meetings just as part of having my own business, meeting with clients, being a public speaker. I've had so many more events. So I've needed to invest in a few more different like tops and sweaters and things like that so that I can really mix and match all the different, what have now become staple items in my closet. So different trouser pants, different jeans, and just especially living in Buffalo in the winter, it gets so cold. So having a really good variety of long sleeve shirts, good sweaters, and a combination of sweaters that are like overhead kind of crew neck sweaters plus like button up sweaters, all of it is really, really helpful because again, it just allows you to mix and match and create a ton of different outfits with all the different things you have in your closet. So because Abercrombie was having a major sweater sale, we did a little splurging, we did some shopping. So I'm so excited to get into this haul, open up everything, try it on for you guys. So let's get into it. We have 5 items here to go through. I'm so excited! But what's crazy is there's no receipt, unless it's between some of these sweaters. I don't understand. That is actually a problem. Okay, so I really, fingers crossed you guys, that everything fits because they, for the first time ever, Abercrombie didn't provide the receipt and the return label. So I don't know what to do if something doesn't work out here. And I'll be able to tell you guys the original prices of everything. I won't be able to tell you the sale prices since there's no receipt in the bag, which again is so bizarre. But I realized I'm wearing the totally wrong, I'm wearing a very thick sweater right now. It's honestly very, very cozy, but this is very casual. I would not wear this to an event or a speaking gig. It's literally just like a cozy, chill day at home, so that's why I'm wearing it. So let me change out of this, put on like a neutral t-shirt so that we can do this Abercrombie. This is honestly, you guys, like a 400, if we're going with original prices of everything, this would be like probably a 420-ish or maybe like 405 Abercrombie haul. Everything was on sale though, so it was less, but I'm only gonna be able to share the original prices with you. But let me go change and then try everything on. Okay, so I just threw on this little nude, like tan colored Zara t-shirt, which is perfect because it's just a very neutral, tight fitting top to have underneath everything that we're gonna try on. So the first thing we're gonna try is this. And again, I can't even tell you like the names of each thing because I don't have, oh, what a pain. Okay. Well, this is a size small. It is like a sweater jacket. I can have Matt pull up the app so that I can give you guys the name of the items, or you know what? I can just, if you guys are really curious, you can comment and then I can get you the information. So I'll just kind of describe what it is. It won't be the official name of the item on Abercrombie, but again, you guys can just message me and I can always get you that. So I am usually a size extra small in like all the tops that I get in Abercrombie, but there are some things that I knew that I wanted to fit a little bit, maybe just have a little more room so that in case I wanted to wear like a thick sweater or something under it, I could layer over it. So this and one other item, which I might save for the end. This is like more of a sweater jacket than a sweater, which you'll see like this is like a chunky knit kind of sweater. This is more of like a, I wouldn't wear the two together, but I don't know. This is more of like a sweater jacket than sweater. But this is item number one. Oh, it's so cute. It is a light gray, has two little front pockets here. It's so soft. I absolutely love the chunky gold buttons. I just love, you can just see how soft and cozy the sweater looks. Hold on, I feel like the camera's not focusing. There we go. There we go. You guys can see how nice and soft. It's such a nice material. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I absolutely love this. I think this looks really cute. It's a perfect height. It is not too long, but it is not too short. It's not too cropped. And let me do a few buttons. I would wear it with possibly just a t-shirt underneath, or again, possibly like a thicker long sleeve underneath. I think this would look cute with jeans. It would look cute with trouser pants. It would look cute over a dress if I honestly wanted to. I think this is adorable. Super cute for the fall and the winter. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. And just to show you what it would look like all the way buttoned. This one is open, but. So this is item number one. The sweater jacket is $80. And again, like I said, this is the original pricing of everything. I got everything basically like 35% off because Abercrombie was doing a 20% off all sweaters and then an additional stackable 15% off. So when you add everything up together, and I'll do some of the math for you guys on screen here, you have to add a 35% discount, which I may or may not do. You'll have to wait until the end to see whether or not in editing I end up doing the math for you. But this is item number one. Let me know what you guys think, and let's move on to item number two. Item number two is a sweater. It is a size extra small. The original price of this is $70. This is like an ivory sweater with these adorable cutie gold little buttons. I'm super excited about this for fall and winter. Love these fun gold buttons. Oh, also so soft. Oh, this one also is like the same length as the other sweater. It's a perfect length, not too long, not too cropped. It's at like right under the belly button. It's literally perfect. I absolutely love this. You can see how soft and cozy it is. Oh my God, it's so nice. Love the bottoms of the sleeves here. Matches the bottom of the sweater. It's just like plain, and then that ribbing. And then these cutie knit gold buttons, which are absolutely adorable. I think this would look so cute, just like two buttons done. And you can see the collar also. Oh, so cute. Like so business professional, business casual friendly. I just absolutely love this. I feel like I'm going to end up wearing this all the freaking time into like from fall into winter, honestly even into spring. It honestly even could be cute as a little summer sweater. Like, oh, I absolutely love this white sweater. I I think this is gonna become a quick staple in my closet. So let's move on to sweater number 3. Let's go from one adorable white sweater to another. Because when I tell you, I have wanted this particular sweater for so long. This I do know the name of. This is the Cotton Seed Stitch cardigan. I've wanted this for so long. I got it in the extra small. This is $80. You guys, it's so cute! Look at the cutie buttons. Look at the cutie knit pattern of this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this thing so much. I've wanted this for probably a year. Paid to wait. Paid to wait because I was able to get it on sale. I love the little slit here. I just love everything about this sweater. I think it's adorable. It's so cute. These cutie cuffed sleeves. These are the thick cuffed sleeves. Oh, I think this is so cute. This is the lightest weight of all of the sweaters that I got. I knew this would be. This is definitely a little bit more of a summer piece, whereas the other 2 items before are definitely more fall winter, but I can definitely wear this still in the fall and honestly into the winter. I just have to make sure that I'm layered underneath because it is very light and breathable, this material. Like I said, this is the cotton seed stitch, so like literally you can like see my skin through there. So it is definitely not the heaviest, thickest material, but it is super light, super breathable, super soft and cozy, super cute. So this is sweater number 3. Let's try on sweater number 4. Sweater number 4 is similar to sweater number 3 in that they both are a lighter material cardigan. I wanted to save the heaviest, most wintry item for last. So this is a very, it's not the cotton seed stitch, but maybe it's called like the cotton cardigan, something like that. This is super similar. Ooh, no, it does feel warmer actually. So never mind, this does feel warmer. This is a size small. This was $80. So I wanted a little bit more of an oversized fit for this. Got it in this gorgeous green, but as you can see, it has the same buttons, same style of button as the cotton seed stitch that I just opened. The cotton seed stitch buttons were a little bit lighter. These buttons are a little bit darker, but they are the exact same style of button. And this is a little bit longer, whereas the cotton seed stitch sweater was more cropped. So that one only had 3 buttons, whereas this one has 4. So this is a little bit more of a full length sweater. Let's try it on. I love this green color, it's gorgeous. Oh. Cute. Okay, it's definitely warmer than the white. It's super soft. Oh my gosh, I honestly love it. This is definitely more of a fall winter material than I was expecting, and I love that. I think she's so cute. Oh, and it also has the little side thing like the cotton seed stitch one. So very similar styles. This one's just a little bit longer. What do you think?
That's when I said you should definitely get that in green.
Yes, that encouraged this one. I took something else out of the pile to get this, and I'm not mad about it. Very cute. Very, very cute. Okay, so now that we've gone through all 4 of the traditional kind of sweaters, we have something it's a little bit different. It's like a long sweater. It's like a sweater duster situation. I got it in an extra small, it's white, and the original price is $110. So this is also the priciest item in the haul. So let's try that on. That is item number 5. For the final item in our mega Abercrombie sweater haul, our like $400 sweater haul. Oh my gosh! this is so soft and so comfortable and so cute. Oh my god, I love it. It's like wearing a bathrobe, but it's cute and socially acceptable. I love the little slits in the side. I love the big pockets. I love the big cuff sleeve. You can see it's just like a nice ribbed, very plain and minimal, which I think is super cute. I have one item of clothing that is similar to this in like shape and length. It's like a dark gray, long sweater situation, and it is like plaid-ish. I say plaid loosely because it doesn't have a very thick, it's like a very kind of stretched out plaid, and it's very light. So it is quite minimal, and it is like a two-toned gray. So it's like a charcoal gray with a light gray stitching of it. It's really, really nice, and when I tell you I wear it all the time in this exact season, I end up grabbing it as an overshirt for walks with Gouda, everything like that. This is going to be exactly that in my closet. I also think this would look so cute. Matt, what do you think of this with like my little white booties that I wore yesterday? Ah! Would be so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. This was definitely the biggest like splurge item, but I also felt like this would be an item that again I ended up wearing all the time, and honestly just like for years and years. I get so much use out of the other one that I have that's like this. It is shedding all over my leggings, but that's totally fine. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This was a total win. This was 5 for 5. I'm so amped. If you guys liked this mega sweater Abercrombie haul, hit the thumbs up and hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Is Dad mocking me?
Stare right into the camera, right, too? Ready?
Hold on, I need to put on more blush. I look like dead. I literally look dead. Like, are you just gonna stand in the background? No.